This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're dealing with the Bosch condenser dryer. These are great dryers because they're ventless and you can have them in an area like inside a condo or an apartment. They do sometimes stop working because the filters get dirty or the drain plug gets dirty. So today we're going to work on how to fix this. We're going to pull back on the front panel, lift up these two tabs, pull off the front. And now we can get to the condenser filter. We're going to pull it straight out. This one's pretty dirty. It's had a lot of accumulated lint and it's pretty clogged. So we're going to take it over to the sink and clean it up. All we really need to do is just get some hot water and run it through. The more pressure the better. Run it through the front and the back grills. And then it has on the sides like a honeycomb type of a grill that you want to run the water through. You basically just want to use this to get rid of all the dryer lint that builds up in the condenser filter. If this gets too plugged up, the dryer won't dry very well, or it may not dry at all. It may actually stop. And another problem could be that the little drain hose that comes out the back could be clogged. So I'm also reaching in the condenser well here and just removing as much lint as I can that's built up. This one hasn't been cleaned for maybe 4 or 5 months. So I'm getting rid of all that lint using a brush to get rid of as much as I can. And then I'm going to take the little drain hose that comes out of the back of the dryer and I'm going to just blow through it as hard as I can, and I should be able to hear bubbles, or I should be able to feel like air is flowing, and if it is, I know that water will flow through it and water can leave the dryer. If it can't, if it's plugged, then the dryer will not dry and it'll just shut itself off. So here's the hose. I'm just going to clean that and then blow in there really hard until I can hear the bubbles or know that the air is flowing. So that's now clear. I'll put that back in and make sure you get that way back in so it doesn't leak all over the floor. And then we're just going to put filter back in, put everything back together, and we should have a dryer that's working again. This is just a good thing to do, I'd say, with the condenser dryer at least every 2 or 3 weeks. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're dealing with the Bosch condenser dryer. These are great dryers because they're ventless and you can have them in an area like inside a condo or an apartment. They do sometimes stop